We are all brothers in humanity. Allah created us all, the Christians, the Muslims. We are all brothers and sisters. But right now we become brothers again in Islam. 2 in 1 or 3 in 1. Yeah. James. Now what's your new name? Ahmad. MashaAllah. Congratulations. Welcome. Ahmad is a wonderful name. Welcome to the region of 1 billion brothers and sisters who believe that there is one God, Muhammad is the messenger of God, Jesus is the messenger of God. Congratulations, my brother. So you can go ahead, read the Quran, use this for clothes. Read this English Quran, it's very valuable on all these books. I advise you to go through it, and may Allah continue to grow your faith. My brother, how are you? How are you? What's your name? Mustafa. What's your former name? Debayo, mashallah. So my brother, I want you to read this book. Welcome to the religion of 1.8 billion people. Jesus is a Muslim, he submits his will to Allah. You understand? Moses is a Muslim, they submit their will to Allah. All these people, they pray to one God. That's why you see Jesus in Matthew 26:39 fall on his face to worship God. Moses also fall on his face to worship God. So we all believe that there is only one God and Muhammad is the messenger of God, right? So what's your new name now? Mustafa. Mustafa, mashallah. You guys have the same name. You know, Ahmad and Mustafa is the same name but in different formats. Mashallah. May Allah continue to bless you, madam. Thank you very much for the wonderful work. May Allah continue to bless you too. Jazakumullahu khairan. So what advice would you like to give to the other people who would like to come to the religion of Islam? What do you think about, you see people are accepting Islam from everywhere, different parts of the world, people are coming to Islam and alhamdulillah they are understanding the religion of God.
Alhamdulillah, wa salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa assalamu alaikum. This has been the promise. God says we sent down the Quran and we will protect it. We will protect it in what form? That people will keep seeing the light from the recitation, the day and night recitation, and people keep understanding. If we look towards the propaganda, like the media, social media, and so many things, people will not want to hear about Islam, say Islam that they are doing this or that, but because it is God's religion and is the one putting it in the minds of His creatures, these brothers felt they want to embrace Islam during this Ramadan that just passed, day before yesterday. They embraced Islam on the 30th of Ramadan. Alhamdulillah, they came around 2 o'clock and they even fasted the remaining day of the Ramadan. So all we are saying is, Muslim brothers out there, the work is on us. We have to tell people, we have to show people that we are good ambassadors. Let's practice Islam as it is written. Let us not put our heart desire in it. When we do that, inshallah, God will be the one to guide people, not us. But the only thing we can do will be good to people and do the right thing in Islam.
Welcome to Islam. Thank you. We are brothers now, huh?
Yes.
May Allah protect you. Thank you very much. We are brothers now. Thank you very much. We are all brothers in humanity. Allah created us all, the Christians, the Muslims. We are all brothers and sisters. But right now we become brothers again in Islam. 2 in 1. Allah make it possible. Great for us. Thank you very much. We really appreciate it.